This video has had 1K views since it was published, and let's see how much YouTube paid me for this 1,000 view. I know a lot of you are curious, a lot of you want to know how much YouTube actually pay for 1K view. Don't worry, I'm going to show you. So those of you thinking that YouTubers have money, oh, if you're a content creator, you are so rich, you guys are enjoying the money. We will see maybe that is true or not in this particular video. So guys, let's look at the overview. First off, before I continue, what I did in this channel, it is a movie review channel. Yeah, as you can see, YouTube recommendation, you can see it right there, although all the arrows are pointing down, meaning this video is already tired. Like this particular video, I think I have to do something to revive it back to life, but then that's not why we are here. We are here to just see how much YouTube pay. So this is an overview. As you can see, the traffic source, YouTube recommendation, YouTube search, other YouTube features, notification, and other. Yeah, that other include, like, let's say you share your video to WhatsApp and people watch it on WhatsApp. So that's what's that other. Like maybe you share it to other Facebook, TikTok and all. And audience retention, as we can see, I have an audience retention of 53 minutes. Oh, I said 53 minutes, sorry, pardon me. 53 seconds, that's the audience retention I have, which is 14.8%. So let's see, like, look at everything just dropped drastically. So in real time, I got 72 views in 48 hours. Yeah, so let me just skip all of that. I don't like wasting time. So let's just go to reach, because I know you guys too are like, tell us how much. As you can see, YouTube actually pushed this video out though, because looking at the impression, 23.8K, and I only got 1K view. Imagine, what happened to the other 22K people? What happened? You guys skipped my video, right? Don't worry, I'm coming for you guys. So you see how viewers find this video. Suggested videos, browse feature, okay, I already said that before. External site or app, YouTube, bing.com, open ChatGPT. Yeah, so the YouTube search term that they used to get this video, something about the BRICS Nigeria, like people were searching what they searched for that actually brought out my video. Something about the BRICS Nigeria movie, I guess. The BRICS family. Content suggesting this video, as you can see, they are all something about the BRICS. Like all the content suggesting this particular video is the title of this video itself. So playlist featuring this video is not. So let's just go to the engagement. Let's see. So engagement, this video actually gave me a watch time of 22 hours. Yes, it gave me a watch time of, which is 37.7 fewer than usual. I don't really know what happened. Do you guys not like the movie or what? So okay, I've checked the audience retention before. Likes versus dislike, 100% channel average, which is actually very good. So let's go to the audience. We are almost at the revenue, so please guys, just wait. Yeah, so at the audience, as you can see, I want you guys to really understand so that you get it. And there is also something I want to explain. Okay, so as you can see, returning viewers is 167. Yeah, you can see the purple one set is for the returning viewers, while the blue is for the new viewers, as you can see in the graph over there. So device type, what they used to watch me, mobile, TV, computer, tablet. Hey, you guys are watching me on all devices. Thank you so much. And the age range that watched this particular video, 13 to 17. What happened? Maybe because I actually chose this video is not meant for kids, and that's why they didn't publish it to 13 to 17, because they are actually categorized as kids. Yeah, so 18 to 24, 25 to 34, 35 to 44. What happened to 44 to 54? 55? What happened? Well, I don't know. So the gender, oh my god, female, as in, is this women supporting women? I don't get it. Because how come women are just like, look at the difference. It's so large, like very, very large. The top geography is Nigeria. Oh my god. Thank you so much, fam. Yeah, second Ghana, and the third United States. Thank you so much, my top geography. Yeah, so the subtitle, I didn't put any subtitle, to be honest. So like those that watch with subtitle, I think this is the percentage for them. So what time for subscribers? Not so, imagine 96% of people that watch this video did not subscribe to my channel. Why? Oh my god, I'm so angry. Why did you guys not subscribe to my channel? I'm just kidding anyways, guys. Please subscribe. That brings me to, please subscribe in case you've not subscribed to my channel. As you're watching this channel, please subscribe. Support me, please, so that when I'm doing a review when I'm doing how much YouTube paid me for this particular video that you're watching, I'm going to be like, oh, 96% of people that watch me subscribed. Please, guys. And so that when you guys watch it, you'll be like, oh yeah, I was one of those people that subscribed. So please, guys, just do it for my sake. And please hit the like button. So now let's go to why we are all here. I know you guys are like, go to the revenue, you're wasting my time. Okay, yeah. So this is the revenue. Can you guys imagine? For 1K view, I got 0.63 cents, not even up to $1. I did not get up to $1. I got 0.63 cents. Oh my god, for a video of 1K. So let's see. I earned through watch paid ads, which is 99.5%. Those that use YouTube Premium, 0.5%. The video performance. So for every 1K view, I was paid 0.44 cents, which amounted to which amounted to $0.63. Why was it $63? $0.63 cents. How much advertisers pay? Advertisers pay $2.11. So when advertisers pay $2.11, YouTube will take their own. YouTube now decided to give me 0.44 cents for every 1K view out of the money. Can you imagine? So guys, the way I earn through skippable video ads, display ad, bumper ad, nose hair. So now let's talk. Do you guys think it is actually worth it? You guys thinking, oh, people that are actually creating video content, you guys are really making the money. So do you think it is actually worth it? Like, do you think this is actually, imagine to even get your video to 1K view, imagine the kind of struggle you will do. Because sometimes you post and you're trying to optimize your video, trying to use YouTube SEO, trying to optimize to get views. You're trying to browse using different search engines, like trying so many things just to be able to make your video visible. And then after doing all of those struggles, you finally get your 1K view, hoping to get something big, and then YouTube just surprise you, less than $1. But then I am grateful for it. I am grateful for every single cent I make on YouTube, because I know YouTube is a platform that keeps paying. As long as you don't violate any of the policy, YouTube will keep paying you wherever you are. Like, it will be paying you for life. As long as there is YouTube, you'll be earning money for life. Like, it gives you this financial stability that this particular video, a time is coming that now it is 0.63. A time is coming that it's going to get to $100, $200. When it gets to that stage, I'm going to make a video. So guys, without any much further ado, I'm going to stop here because I don't want to talk too much, and I think I've already spoken so much. Please bear with me. I just really feel excited talking and sharing my revenue with you guys. Please do well to like before you go. Don't rush to go. Thank you so much. We'll meet again in my next video. Bye.